The first thing we will need to do is collect all of the equipment we need, which is listed on our block. This is what my tin can will look like when it is finished. Yours may look slightly different depending on the object you have selected to camouflage and where you have chosen to disguise your object. Start by finding an area of vegetation in your garden or local park where you want to disguise your object. Once you have decided on a good hiding place, use your scissors to cut off some of the leaves, plants and branches and collect them in a bag to take home. To make the camouflage for your tin, first you need to use scissors to cut your plain or coloured paper to fit the size of your object. I will cut one piece to go around the outside of the tin and 2 circles for the ends of the tin. Next, take your plain or coloured card and draw on a destructive camouflage pattern which fits in with the colours of your chosen surroundings. My chosen hiding place had lots of brown and green colours, so I'm going to draw a brown disruptive camouflage pattern on my green coloured paper. Don't forget the edges of the pattern should not be straight and should reflect the meandering lines of nature. Once you have finished your pattern, you will need to attach it to your chosen object using sellotape. You should use PVA glue to stick on the vegetation which you previously collected. When you are sticking on the leaves and plants, make sure they go over the edges of the card, as this will obscure the outline of your object when you place it back into your chosen surroundings. Once you have finished covering your object with the vegetation, leave it to dry for 1 hour to allow the glue to set. Finally, take your object back to your chosen surroundings in your garden or local park to see how well you have managed to camouflage it into the natural surroundings. Whilst you are looking at your object in the natural surroundings, try answering the follow-up questions in our blog post, as it might provide you with some clues. Why not try camouflaging other objects into different surroundings in your local area? Don't forget to take them back home with you afterwards though. Tweet us photos of your camouflage objects using our Twitter handle @TrioSciCamry_CU.